What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on it. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from IFX. So I'm here again this evening to talk about, just the Forex market, how to trade, what we need to do about the Forex market right now, what's booming, what's going on, what's really exploding in the market right now, in the capital market generally, you understand cryptocurrency, Forex trading, stock, bond, indexes, commodities, stuff like that, it's just about the capital market. You get it? So, today we ain't gonna be looking at much, but I just want you guys, keep your heads up and keep your eyes sharp, you understand? So, I just want you to let's give it a follow up and see where we go from here, you understand? So, let's get down to business. You get it? So, this is how we do, analyze the trade. So, today's trade will start from, this is UK crude oil, I've analyzed this long time ago, you understand? So, let's just look at it, UK crude oil as we speak. I said a long time ago that it's going to be uptrend. That was December. I think that was December 11, 2020. I said the market is going uptrend, that I'm vaulting it all the way up. And up till now, it's still an uptrend. It's trying to form a reversal pattern, which I've set, I set a kind of, I set a kind of a candlestick. I set a kind of trend line according to price action. I set a kind of trend line for it, and it's trying to regroup and reverse and do exactly according to what the price action says. You get it? But what is here is that the market will be, as it is like this. I believe the market has open. I think. What's the time again? Yeah, this is 5:01. I think the market should be open any moment from now. You get it? And once the market gets open, the market will start going up again. You understand? It's an uptrending market. It's an uptrending market. You understand? So this is an uptrending market. This is UK crude oil CFD. This is UK crude oil CFD. So it's an uptrending market. I don't know what you see there, but this is what I see in the market. You get it? So you could let me know what you see. You could just just try to share your own opinion. You understand? Everybody's opinion is welcome in this very place. So back to the market. You get it? So let's just look at it from December that I analyze it. That is going to be an uptrend. So ever since then, it's been doing its work. And let's go. Yeah, this is December 15th. And I wrote this in December 11th, 14, 13, 11th. Okay, this is December 11th. So let me put it like this. December 11th. You understand? So I put it right from December 11th that the market is an uptrending market. I said December 11, 2020, it's all a bullish market. Should it go bearish at this point, it will still reverse and go bullish again. But now it's still going bullish. I'll stay. It's going bullish till January 2021. This was what I said in December 11th, 2020. So let's just look at it. Look at how zoomish it has been. It's just been going up, boom, 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 boom. It was just going like that, which is a very, very good thing, which is a very, very, very good thing, and which I really, really love. You get it? But I don't know what you see in the market, but just let me know what you think. You get it? Just let me know how you see that the market is going, because right now, last week, a week and a half ago, the market tried to take a reversal, take a reversal style. And I told him, somebody called me on, what's it called? Somebody called me on Skype, and he was like, hey, do you see what the market is doing now? UK crude oil CFD, all that. I told him that He said, oh, the market is reversing, it's going down. I told him, hey, you know what, man? This market is an uptrending market. You understand? I know what I'm saying. I believe it's an uptrending market. This ain't the first time that I'll do this. You understand? So that was exactly what he told me then. And I thank God, for giving me the grace, know some few things and be able to study price action and tell people what's going to happen in the market. But just like we said, just like I analyze, and just like the price action, determined and according to experience, the market is still going up. You get it? And it's really sweet, honestly. It's really sweet, honestly. When you do things like this and you see that what you're doing is moving exactly as forecasted, you understand? It's like, it's working exactly as forecasted. This will really make you happy, honestly. This will really make you happy. You get it? And not just that, when you trade that same market and you are making money, you'll be happy as well. So these are part of the things. Please let me shoot up the chair a little up more. Yeah. So back to business. So when you trade with this kind of stuff, and the market actualizes itself according to forecast, you'll be really happy, honestly. And that's exactly what this market is doing at the moment. You get it? The market is about to open. It's gonna open any moment from now. This is 5 p.m. This is a minute past 5. Here in North America, here in New York time, Eastern time, Eastern New York time. You understand? So this is 5 p.m. and 5:06 p.m. already. And as it is like this, I promise you, this market is really going to do a lot of great stuff. You get it? So here's my point, people. If you're in this market, don't be discouraged. You understand? Because this is the this is the candle that closed on Friday. You understand? So once the market opens now, it will still start going. It will still start going a little bit, up. And from there it will open another candlestick. And when it's open a new candlestick, let me snapshot this, just for record. Now when it's open a new candlestick, you see what it will do exactly. What it will do is that when the new candlestick open, the market will try to reverse a bit. It might take 3, 5, 6 hours to reverse. You understand? But it's still an uptrend. The market is going, the new candle is going to end a bullish candle. That's the candle that will open, this midnight stroke in the morning. You get it? Midnight UK time stroke morning. You get it? I know United Kingdom, they are like 10 o'clock right now, or 11. I think 10 or 11 or something like that. You understand? But what is here is that the market is definitely going to reverse back up. You get it? But when the new candle opens, because this old candle has not really completed its mission. You get it? So the old closed candle on Friday has not completed its mission, and it's going to open again by the end of. It's going to open back, and the market will go up a little bit, and it will set up a new candle. And I promise you, the new candle will reverse a bit. You understand? It will have a shadow, but it will reverse. It will reverse bearish a bit, then it will reverse bullish back. You understand? So this is what I want to share with you in this market. So people, I just like I said in one of my videos, I really appreciate it. If you're ready, if you want to trade Forex, you want to trade Forex, bond, stock, indexes, commodities, you want to trade in the capital market, you could just, give me a call on Skype, or just, try to DM me on Instagram, at FXI. You understand? Go to Instagram and type at FXI or at IFX. You'll still see me. You get it? You could try to DM me on Instagram or call me on Skype. You get it? I'll definitely put you through. If there's any question you have for me, you could drop it in the comment section on all of my social media pages, or call me personally and ask me. Again, I would really love to answer questions, for many people, be it cryptocurrency forecast and all that. I would really appreciate it. You get it? But here's what I want to say. Right now, this is where I will close this UK crude oil CFD for tonight. I'll see you in the afternoon tomorrow. You get it? So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all, and have a good one.